Market time and inventory are up in Poway and demand is down. How does this all impact you? Watch to the end and find out. Hello and welcome to Neighborhood Real Estate Update for October 30th, 2023. If you're new to this channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button to continue getting our updates. And yes, we are talking about Poway 92064, where the current number of homes for sale is 39, which is way up from last time that we talked. And the average market time is up as well, 39 days, which is much higher than it has been so far this year. And we're seeing more and more of this around the county. Active inventory market time is increasing, which generally signals a shift in the market. And so we have 39 active and 36 pending, which again is a bit of a flip because generally we have seen more pending than active this year, indicating that demand was high. This indicates that demand is falling off somewhat, although the average market time on these 36 pending properties is 23 days. So the properties that are selling are still selling at a pretty good clip, with most of them having less than 2 weeks of market time to get into escrow. And then the sales in the last 30 days, only 28. So 28 closed in the last 30 days with an average market time of 31 days. So the general trend is looking like higher market times on average and more inventory than there is demand. So that could definitely spell softening prices. And we're already seeing that happening in most zip codes, where median price has come down 1% or 2% in the last couple of months. Now, going all the way back to January of 2020 in Poway, the median price for a detached home was $847,000. So as you can see, Poway is definitely median higher than the rest of San Diego County. Now, if we fast forward to where everything peaked in about April, May, June, July of 2022. July was the peak for Poway in 2022 at 1.375 million. And then going into this year, a year later, a year after the median price peaked, 12 months later, it was back to 1.372. So almost back to its previous peak from 2022. And then dropped to 1.25 in August, and sort of flattening out here a little bit up in September. We'll see what October brings once those numbers come out. However, it does appear that prices, like everywhere else in Poway, are softening up a bit. So if you do have a home that you're thinking about selling in Poway, sooner rather than later, at least looking at the short-term projection here, is probably your best bet. So we will be back later this week with more Neighborhood Real Estate Update, and Thursday for San Diego Market Watch. So stay tuned for those, and until I see you again, have a great week.